Hi, I'm Joe, and this is my Tenna story. I spend my days in the field managing multiple operations and crews to meet the demanding timelines and project milestones. Making sure the equipment we need is on site and ready to go wasn't always easy. Whether it's unexpected breakdowns, calls back and forth to other supers, and the equipment manager to try and find the piece of equipment we need, or changes in the schedule, which means additional or different equipment is needed. It's a challenge. That's just equipment headaches. The list goes on, but you get the idea. With Tenna's platform and their various tracker options to match different types of equipment, I get the information I need and a whole lot more. The guesswork is gone and we have complete visibility. Phone calls are replaced with everyone using the Tenna app. We know where everything is and communication has been greatly improved. But it's beyond tracking. It's giving me all the information on every piece of equipment and other types of assets in our mixed fleet. I can get telematic information from my yellow iron, such as my PC400. I know the health of the equipment and the maintenance needs that prevent breakdowns. I can avoid last-minute or unnecessary rentals, which can inflate the cost of the project. I'm able to better plan operations and equipment to avoid delays. And now can make more of every day. If you want to manage your construction fleet better, look at technology built for construction.